If you're suffering with hair loss, thin edges, just like what you are saying, these are all my before loss I had before. Okay, this is my before videos, and this is my after using this treatment consistently. Okay, this is my hair before, my back hair before, and this is my back hair after using this particular treatment. So if you have suffer from this kind of hair thinning, bald spot, all this I have showed before, and you want to grow a new hair, try this tea. So in today's video, we're going to be making this amazing tea that's going to help you to promote your hair. So love, let's get started. Hi loves, welcome. So the first ingredient to be using is rosemary. All right, rosemary is really amazing. Rosemary helps in improving the blood circulation to your scalp. It improves your scalp health. Okay, it strengthens your hair, it reduces hair loss. Okay, so using rosemary is so good. So the next thing we'll be using now is fenugreek seed. It's just 2 ingredients we are using, and we are good to go. Okay, so this is my fenugreek seed. I'm telling you guys the benefits of fenugreek seed. So fenugreek seed also promotes hair growth. It reduces hair fall. Okay, it addresses scalp issue. It is rich in nourishment like iron, protein, which are essential for healthy hair. Okay, it contains the compound that helps to stimulate hair growth follicles. So these are my measuring spoon. I'll be using a tablespoon for each of these. I make sure I measure the tablespoon very well. So it promotes hair growth, reduces hair loss. It also helps with hair follicles issue, like if you have scalp issue, it's going to help to treat that. I'm also using a teaspoon of rosemary as well. It strengthens your hair because of the protein it has and other nourishment in fenugreek seed that help you to strengthen your hair strands and making them less prone to breakage. So it adds shines and it softens your hair, because I love using fenugreek seed a lot to do my deep condition, and it has been working amazing. So I just added a few hot water inside. I boil the hot water I am using, and it also improves in your hair thickness, and which I have confirmed. I have done a treatment whereby I use fenugreek seed for like I think 1 month or 2 months thereabouts. So yeah, 2 months straight, and my hair thickness improves. So one thing I love about fenugreek seed is that if you soak it inside water, it improves in size, like it increases in size. So our fenugreek seed and rosemary water is ready. I will be sieving this. All right, sieve it, and when you have removed your water, the remaining fenugreek seed and rosemary, don't throw it away. You can use it as a deep condition for your hair because it still have other benefits. So after straining it, I will be adding in another ingredient, which is my MSM powder. MSM powder is really amazing. It helps in your hair growth. So I'll be telling you guys the benefit of MSM powder as well. Here's the benefit of MSM powder. It strengthens your hair, it improves your scalp health. Okay, it reduces hair loss, okay, by strengthening your hair follicles and improving your healthy scalp. MSM powder also minimizes hair loss as well. All right, so MSM powder improves it by thickening your hair volume. Yes, since I've been using MSM powder, I noticed that my hair the volume of my hair has thickened. Yes, and MSM powder boost your hair growth. That one for sure, I have seen it. It increases your hair length, and I've seen a lot of results ever since I've been using MSM powder on my hair. Yeah, besties, so I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Please subscribe if you have not. Share your beautiful comment. So I will be applying this on my hair. This is my hair right now. I'm going to apply this all over my hair. You can use this every day. I use this for 5 days, then I discard and I make a new batch, but I'm using this for 2 weeks. So this part, if it's finished, I'll make a new one. So you compiling this rosemary and fenugreek seed alone is really good. If you don't have the MSM powder, you can do this alone and you will still see amazing results. In the beginning of my channel, I used to use only rosemary and fenugreek seed, and there was results. So I just added in MSM powder of recent, that was should be this year, and the results skyrocketed. So why did I say I've talked about MSM powder? It really helped my ingredients to skyrocket my hair. Yeah, so I spray this all over my hair, and then I will apply in the rest of my oils, my butter, my leave-in condition. So I'm done spraying this all over my hair, the tea on my hair. So the next thing I'm going in is with okra gel. Okra gel is really good. Like, it helps to grow your hair, seriously guys. So either you use okra gel or flaxseed. Some people don't like flaxseed, they believe flaxseed means their hair strong. So if you don't want to use flaxseed, you can go for okra gel. Yeah, okra gel, I have been using it for the past 4 months now. Yeah, and I have been loving the result I have gotten on my hair. So after applying the tea, I go with okra gel. If you don't have okra gel, you can go in with your leave-in condition, but always make sure that you put a condition on your hair when you spray your hair growth tea, okay? Because the condition is going to help to trap the hair growth tea you spray on your hair, so that it does not just dry out and dry your hair. Yes, so I'm going in with my okra gel. After that, I'm going in with this leave-in condition, this natural touch. Oh God have mercy. Yes, I love this a lot because it's really soft and it penetrates my hair easy. The leave-in condition, I'm going in with this hair growth oil. It's already in the channel, do watch, check it out how I created it. So I'm going to be applying this on my scalp, everywhere on my scalp, and I will massage as well. But since I started doing that this mini braids, my hair has been doing so good. Before, I was a relaxed girly. I used to relax my hair like maybe 4 times in a year. If I just see that my hair is becoming due, I'll just gonna relax it immediately, because I used to like my hair really sleek, but not knowing that I was damaging my hair. And each time I comb my hair is always falling down. Those days I used to use either petals, ozone, all these relaxers now. Yeah, so right now I'm using this Duru Growth hair fertilizer for my hair cream. Yeah, I love Chambia 2000, but I've run out of it. So this works as well, but the only downside I don't like about this Duru Growth is just that it does not have that tingling sensation that Chambia 2000 gives you when you apply it on your scalp. Yeah, but anyway, it works as well. So I apply this on my scalp, massage, and then I'm going in with my hair growth butter. This is a herbal hair growth butter. It's in the channel, do what you check it out. Okay, every ingredient or every routine I do on my hair have a reason. Okay, so this is my final sealant. Okay, my final sealant for my hair. All right, so this butter has been doing good on my hair and on my daughter's hair as well, because anything I do on my hair, I make sure I usually use it on my daughter's hair as well. So in case you want to use this on a child's hair, you are free to use it on your child's hair. So guys, I apply this from the root of my hair to the tips of my hair, and I massage. I go in with my scalp massager to massage my hair. Always try to massage your hair each time you do your routine or each time you have time. Like if you are bored, just carry your scalp massager and massage your hair. It's good for us to massage our scalp for the blood circulation, so that everything, the oils, the teas, the butter, everything we put on our hair can go to our hair follicles, because the blood circulation is flowing well. We stand a lot, so our blood just go down. But when you use your scalp massager and massaging your brain, you're massaging the blood, and your hair is getting its own nutrients with the food and everything you are eating. And also healthy living is the best. So I have changed my diet. I'm eating now healthy, and I know the good impact of eating healthy. Okay, so my front edges is growing. Before, my edges was very bad. You saw from the beginning of the video how I have been struggling with my front edges, but I am glad I've come to a point whereby I know that okay, you can see hair in the edges. I say okay, this girl have hair. Yeah, so I'm just going to be massaging my scalp for a while. After this, I'll show you guys what my hair looks like. So I'm done with everything. This is what my hair looks like. I'll be using this tea for 2 weeks, and I'll make a new tea. So I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not. Share with comment. Let me know if you'll be trying this tea, and I will see you on my besties in my next video. Stay subscribed for more amazing content like this. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.